Hi everyone, Heath Cook here, Young Dairy Coordinator for the Coffs, Ballingen and Dorrigo region. The reason I'm talking to you today is I want to let you know about the Young Farmer Business Program, and it's presenting the Getting Started Bank Ready Workshop. It's a free workshop that's going to walk us through all the important financial questions and tasks that are going to help us achieve our dream. So what will be presented on the evening is finance options, buying, leasing and equipment loans, how to build an effective business relationship, important finance terms and indicators, key documents to source finance and planning for your future. Once again, it's a free workshop. It's going to be held from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. next Wednesday, the 6th of December, at the Heritage Hotel Motel Dorrigo. Jump online and register on our Facebook page, Young Farmer Business Program. I'll see you all there.